Everyone says that it's no big deal, nothing a little more. I've either got to leave the past behind or find myself a way, for better or worse. I'll take whatever comes first. Show me somewhere out and girl, I'm there. It's gotten to the point. She was a waitress down in New Orleans. She had a broken stealing of the hand, and it's never too late. It's never too late. Their eyes met and they fell together, and in just one night. The autumn leaves they rush outside my window. It's just another thing that brings your memory back to. I'm just fine till the end of September.